So today we're going to be making this fall wreath. So let's get to it. I started off with 2 metal wreath frames from the dollar store. I wanted to have 2 different sizes so I could give it a little bit more dimension. I then used a few zip ties just to hold them in place. I needed to find some vines or flexible branches. So I cut some branches from my umbrella tree and found some old honeysuckle vines in the backyard. I then started to weave all the branches through the metal frame, starting with the most flexible end. Now this was a little time consuming trying to weave all this through, and it took a little bit of muscle, but eventually it did happen. I finished off the weaving with the honeysuckle vine. It had a lot of twists and curls and I wanted it to be seen. I wish I had enough of the honeysuckle vine to do the whole thing in it, but unfortunately I don't. Next year I might cut some down and leave it for the fall. I went to the dollar store and picked up a few pumpkins, pine cones, and leaves to place on the wreath. I then arranged everything how I wanted it before I glued it in place. I originally used a hot glue to glue everything in place, but after I dropped it and a few things did come off, I mixed up some epoxy glue and glued some of the bigger items in place. And here it is, all finished, ready to hang on the door.